Okay, today we will introduce our translator for the free version of T1. First, after we get our product, we need to download our app first. You can search for IIGM in our app store. Search for exam. Walk through the back of our packaging to scan and download our software, which is also okay. After downloading our software, press our product. There is a button here to put it in a connected state. Open our app. IGSM. Select to connect to our device. The light is flashing here, which means it's in a connected state. Now we are in the Bluetooth. Search for our device model. You can see the tail number here. After selecting pairing, it can be used normally. Now it is connected. Return to the device. First, let's introduce our elaboration of cross-application translation. Click to enter here. You can freely choose 144 languages for two-way translation. Choose the language we both want here. After selecting whether you speak Chinese or English or other languages, as long as you choose, it will translate it into the other language. For example, when we talk face-to-face, you can press and hold this button.
按住之后开始说话，然后它就会快速播报。
Press and hold to start speaking, and it will quickly announce.
This is our face-to-face communication, our translation, and our automatic announcement. It will announce after you turn it on. Include our display-only translations. If you turn it on, click on the dialog box for cross-software translation. Hold here to speak. Hello, where are you now? Here, it will show the bilingual text. If we only open this, then it will show the translated text.
你好，你现在在哪里？
Hello, where are you now?
Now it's purely in English. After turning it off, it will show bilingual for cross-application translation. This position needs to be turned on. You can choose a male or female voice here, and then we can choose the speed of speech, normal, fast, or a little slower. What about cross-app translation? Except we can send text. You can also send the customer a voice message. But if you don't understand, if you know the language, then we can do this. For example, currently the voice message sent by the customer, but we can't understand it. Then we set it here. The language of both of us, Chinese and English. Click on this button here, and then press and speak. It will translate. Okay, let's test it.
Hello, how are you? Are you okay?
喂，你好吗？你没事吧？
Our cross software application, after opening it, it basically supports most domestic and foreign social platforms. Okay, let's introduce a translation feature for free video calls. How should we operate it? First, open our software. On our software, there is a video call. After opening it, we can choose the language of both parties. After selecting, here, you can choose video call or voice call. Click here to invite friends to a call. After inviting, the QR code will pop up here. You can choose to let your friends scan to join or click this link. Sure, you can forward it to any chat platform. Our product supports most social platforms. Here, you need to click on this link first and then forward it to what you want to forward. Social media platform. Here, select forward and then select the contact you want to forward to. And it's done. Click to forward it to him. Then we return to the software and wait for him to come in. Next, let's introduce our photo translation function. Here, open our photo translation. For example, we can translate English to Chinese. After taking a photo, check this box. In this position, we can freely choose. For example, if you want to translate English or Chinese to other languages, it's all okay. It has been translated here. You can also choose to save this kind of translation. Okay, next, let's introduce this convenient conversation function. Open the convenient conversation on our interface. Select the two languages. You can choose from more than 100 countries. You can choose from over 100 countries. Okay, let's click start to test it. For example, now it's Chinese to English translation. After clicking start, you don't have to touch it the whole time. It will automatically pick up our voice. And after stopping, it will start broadcasting. 点击开始后，它就是全程都不用去动它了，它会自动去收取我们的声音，然后停止之后，它就会开始播报。And it can be in Chinese and English. After choosing these two languages, you speak either one, it will be directly broadcast, and it will be translated into the other language. This is one of our convenient conversation function in the office when communicating with customers face to face, which is very convenient. Okay, next, let's introduce our conversation translation. Open our conversation translation here. After selecting the languages of both parties, by pressing the screen, you can translate it here. Let's test it.
你好，这个东西多少钱
Hello, how much does this thing cost?
？Hello, how are you?
喂，你好吗？
Here is the function of our conversation translation. Okay, next, let's introduce our simultaneous interpretation. Simultaneous interpretation. It is used in meetings or in a classroom. One not to broadcast sound, but you can translate text quickly to communicate. We can open this. Click to choose the language of both of us. Select the language you want to translate. After selecting, click start. In this case, whether you speak the first Chinese or the second English, it will be translated directly and in real time. When you're in a meeting or with customers from other countries or chatting with customers from other countries, you don't understand what others are saying. You can also turn it on. It's basically real-time translation. It's fast and won't miss any words. Precise. It's our function of simultaneous interpretation. You can also choose to save our meeting records as text. Here, you can forward it. You can forward it to any platform. You can also listen to the replay in the lower left corner. There are records here. Next, let's introduce our scene switching feature. This way, the first one is the default translation scene. Just press this. It will translate. The translated text is based on your original text you set here to translate. For example, if we are in English now, turn it off.
在后台不关闭的情况下，它仍然是可以使按住按键之后开始说话。
It can still be used without shutting down in the background. Press and hold the button and start talking.
Okay, let's introduce it. The second one in the scene switch, selfie function. This is for traveling or any other scene. We can use it. For example, after switching to the selfie function, we open our camera, press the button to take a photo. So let's start pressing it now. For a moment. This is the function of a selfie stick. Also, and in video scenes, our device can also be used. For example, open the short video, and then click on the air operation, video page turning. For Apple, we have taught you how to set it in the settings. To set it up to operate like this, press once to turn the video and long pictures, and turn pages in the air. Let's open it and test it now. Switch to our video scene. Open our video. Now press it. This is a function of our video scene, function of the application. Okay, now let's introduce our group chat function, how to use it, and what's its use. Open our group chat, choose what language we want to receive. Then we create a group chat. You can choose to send our QR code to various platforms, to your friends or customers, and let them scan the code to join the group chat. And it's done. He is free to choose their national language. Set Chinese, no matter what language. We'll send any text to our dialog box. It will show Chinese. This group chat function supports people from dozens of countries to chat online simultaneously. Next, I will show you our offline translation function. We click to enter, and then click the icon in the upper right corner and enter the offline language download interface. We just need to download the language we need. It will be downloaded to the local phone. After downloading, we click on the conversation translation. After entering this interface, we press the button on the screen to speak, then release it and it will start translating.
你好，你来自于哪个国家？我现在来向你介绍一下这款产品。
Hello, which country do you come from? I'm going to introduce this product to you now.
Even without internet, offline translation can also be used.